A tactical flashlight comes in handy for doing missions or outdoor activities in the dark. It can light up a dark room, focus on your target far away, or even disorient an attacker for self-defense. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 budget tactical flashlights on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Gearlight LED Tactical Flashlight S1000. S1000 is a compact tactical flashlight that never disappoints me in camping and other emergencies. It's incredibly bright to see in the night clearly and fits just right in my pocket for easy access. The adjustable focus is a helpful feature of this tactical pocket flashlight. I was pleased to use the narrow beam to spotlight a raccoon 1,000 feet away. The wide beam also comes in handy when I want to survey the whole field at night. In the best condition, this mini tactical flashlight can produce a maximum output of 1040 lumens. It also works in 5 different modes, including the strobe, which is my favorite to disorient my enemies. I can use this cheap EDC flashlight virtually in any weather condition as it still works, even when I soaked it in the rain or froze it in the cold. This Gearlight version offers 2 flashlights and extra accessories, providing more value than other cheap flashlights at its price point. I like the pouches they came with because they serve well in protecting the flashlights for long-term use. Besides, users can choose between 3 AAA batteries and a single rechargeable battery to power these powerful flashlights. Number 2. Gearlight S2000 LED Flashlight. Gearlight S2000 is a tactical flashlight under $30, which shows another excellent performance for its price. I discovered that the S2000 delivers high lumens, enough to light up a dark room. This budget EDC flashlight is built to last with its outstanding water resistance in the rain, and it did survive when I performed a 10-foot drop test. I can feel the toughness of the military-grade aluminum with its heftiness. In addition, I like the texture because it's nice to hold and not slippery at all. The S2000 appears to be a mid-size military tactical flashlight and doesn't look like those weak little flashlights that fit in the purse. It looks powerful but is still compact enough to store in my backpack. I also like that this budget LED flashlight can take rechargeable or conventional batteries. The beam can go very narrow or very wide, depending on the zoom level I choose. I tested the flashlight out at night to spot an animal 900 feet away on full zoom. Conversely, it did a perfect job of lighting my entire front yard. Number 3. Feyachi FL11MB Tactical Flashlight. When I go night hunting, my favorite tactical flashlight to use is the Feyachi FL11MB. I can mount this flashlight on my rifle and spot my prey about 550 to 600 feet away. The FL11MB is a tactical flashlight with over 1000 lumens, producing 1200 lumens of bright white light, enough to disorient an enemy. I love the size of this one because I can barely notice the extra weight on my rifle. Best of all, it's quick to mount to the standard Picatinny rail. This flashlight is a tough model with aircraft-grade aluminum alloy. Together with the black anodized matte finish, the flashlight feels highly durable and looks aesthetically pleasing. Furthermore, this flashlight is IP65 water resistant. And I also noticed some waterproof O-rings, so I no longer doubt that it can work well even in the rain. This model is a good tactical flashlight for the money because it comes with free rechargeable batteries and a pressure switch. The batteries charge quickly, about 3 hours, and run up to 4 hours straight at high mode. I especially love the pressure switch because it's dual function, momentarily on, constant on, and easy to operate with one hand. Number 4. Defentech Gun Flashlight DTM1C. The Defentech DTM1C is an excellent weapon light that seems to fit every pistol with a Picatinny rail and most rifles with rails. This model fits nicely on my SD9VE, and I like that it doesn't get in the way of easy engagement. I just love the design, especially the quick release mount mechanism, because it makes the flashlight easy to slip into the rail without screws. I'm pleased that the spring for the quick mount is durable. Thankfully, the light comes installed with a battery for quick use and a tactical bezel to give me an advantage for self-defense. Surprisingly, this gun flashlight seems to be built with pretty aircraft-grade solid aluminum material. I tried to perform a torture test, and this flashlight survived after a 10-foot drop on my hardwood floor. It also can handle numerous recoils after several rounds on my PT-11 G2 pistol. The 300 lumens output seems bright enough to light up my dark room. Also, I find the 2 light modes very helpful in emergencies. The steady mode makes it easy to find, while the strobe setting can disorient an intruder. Number 5. Feyachi FL14 Lock Flashlight. Instead of a Picatinny rail, the Feyachi FL14 uses the M-Lock system. Such a design makes its construction more lightweight than the Feyachi FL11MB. Just like the predecessor, the FL14 produces 1200 lumens of white light with an aircraft-grade aluminum body. There are also O-rings to keep the flashlight watertight and a black anodized matte finish to fight corrosion. I'm not afraid to get this flashlight wet because it has an IP65 rating. This particular Feyachi model also comes with two 18,650 rechargeable batteries and a battery charger. The battery life seems to be longer than I expected, and the quality of light doesn't wane even when the battery is a bit low. Additionally, the remote pressure switch seems useful to turn the flashlight on/off quickly. The unique feature of this flashlight is the M-Lock bracket. Thankfully, the package comes with screws and all the necessary hardware to mount the flashlight easily. I also find the aggressive glass breaker nose pretty handy when breaking a window for emergencies. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.